Hey y'all, Pierre-Charles here. So I had some goodies arrive in the mail today from Amazon. This one will be for blind spot monitoring, which I will put on either side of the vehicle, and this monitor will be on the inside on the dashboard. And this here is a trunk cover that I ordered. And so I'm gonna install this right now. This will probably be tomorrow or in the coming days when I have some time. All right. All right, so here's the trunk privacy cover. It's a good fit. I put it on here instead of here because I tend to have this back seat kind of leaning back a bit, so I still want even the space. Because if I put it there, this wouldn't be able to lean back a bit. All right, but looks like pretty good quality. Um, I'll include a link down to where I purchased it from Amazon down below. All right, and again, this I will try to install tomorrow or in the coming days.